Good morning students, welcome to the class again. Dear students, as you all know that our grammar topic direct and indirect is going on, and till now we have discussed about the rules of changing assertive and interrogative direct speech into indirect speech. And in our today's class I am going to discuss about the rules of changing exclamatory direct speech into indirect speech. But before this, I want to tell you what is an exclamatory sentence. A sentence that expresses some sudden or strong feeling of joy, happiness, sorrow, surprise, anger, contempt, applause, regret, concern is called an exclamatory sentence. All exclamatory sentences end with an exclamation mark. For example, what a big house it is. It is an exclamatory sentence and it is expressing a sudden feeling of surprise. And next is how sad she was. This is expressing a feeling of sorrow. Next is what a delicious cake. This is expressing a feeling of happiness. What a foolish guy you are. This is expressing a feeling of anger. Oh, how weak you have grown. This is expressing a feeling of concern. Now, dear students, I want to discuss about the rules of changing direct speech into indirect speech. Rule number 1 is comma and inverted commas are removed. When we changed the exclamatory direct speech into indirect speech, comma and inverted commas are removed and word that is used to join both the parts. Both the parts means reporting verb and reporting speech. And the second rule is exclamatory sentence changed into assertive sentence, and sign of exclamation is removed and we use full stop. Next is when we changed the direct speech into indirect speech, we changed sad according to the emotion of the exclamatory word. We have some exclamatory words in the direct speech, and when we change the direct speech into indirect speech, we use that exclamatory word. And in my next slide I have these exclamatory words for you. Means these are the exclamatory words and we replace these words in these sentences. Wow is expressing a feeling of joy, so we replace wow into exclaimed with joy, and what into exclaimed with surprise. Well done. It is expressing a feeling of applause, so we changed it into exclaimed with applause. Sorry. We changed it into exclaimed with regret. Pooh. It is expressing a feeling of contempt, so we changed it into exclaimed with contempt. And oh, we changed it into exclaimed with surprise or sorrow. Nonsense into exclaimed with contempt. Hoorah. It is changed into exclaimed with joy. And I have also some more words for you. How. It is exclaimed with surprise or regret. Ha, exclaimed with joy. Good God, exclaimed with surprise. Bravo, exclaimed with joy. Alas, exclaimed with sorrow or grief. Ah, exclaimed with joy. Ah, exclaimed with sorrow, grief or joy, according to the statement, according to the feeling of the sentence. Now the next rule is rule number 4. There are some words what or how in the reporting speech, and we replace that words into very or great. For example, he said what a place. Here what a place, we changed what into very. It means that this is he exclaimed with joy that it was very fine place. Okay, what a place means it is expressing a sudden feeling of joy, and we changed what into very, that is he exclaimed with joy that it was very fine place. Next is Himani said how happy I am. How happy I am, it is also expressing a feeling of happiness, so we changed it into Himani exclaimed with joy that she was very happy. Now the rule number 5 is, this is as I have already told you, that tense, pronouns and words expressing time and place are changed as per the rules already discussed. Now dear students, it's time for practice. Now see this sentence. She said, "Oh, I lost my mobile." So try to understand the feeling of this sentence, what feeling this sentence is expressing. Okay, first of all we have to see this. Now answer is sorrow. Oh, I have lost my mobile. Okay, so the answer is, she exclaimed with sorrow that she had lost her mobile. So we changed sad into exclaimed with sorrow, and the other things remain same as we have already discussed. That is also there, and she is used in place of I, because I is the first person and we changed I according to the subject of the reporting verb, and subject is she, and this is past tense, and we changed past tense into past perfect. Lost is changed into had lost, and my is also the first person, and this is also changed according to the subject of the verb. So we used her here. So the answer is, she exclaimed with sorrow that she had lost her mobile. Now see the second example. She said, "Ah, what a beautiful scene." So try to understand the feeling of this sentence. Okay, yes, I know you are trying. Ah, what a beautiful scene. This is expressing a feeling of joy. So we used here, he exclaimed with joy that it was a beautiful scene. Okay, that it was a beautiful scene. So sad is changed into exclaimed with joy. So let's take some more example of exclamatory sentence. Ravi said, "Well done, Ramesh." Yes, try to do. Yes, I know you are trying. Okay, the answer is, Ravi exclaimed with applause that Ramesh had done well. Well done. When we say well done, it means we are applause. This is expressing a feeling of applause. Okay, next is, she said to her servant, "How foolish you are." How foolish you are. It is means it is expressing a feeling of anger. So the answer is, she exclaimed with anger that her servant was very foolish. Okay, now the third sentence is, Neha said to Poonam, "Congratulations." See this sentence carefully. Neha congratulated Poonam. This is the answer of this sentence. Next is, Yuvraj said, "Thank God." This is, Yuvraj thanked God. Next is, she said, "How foolish I have been." She said, "How foolish I have been." She regretted that she had been very foolish. How foolish I have been. It means this sentence is expressing a feeling of regret. Okay. Now dear students, the next sentence is, the captain said, "Bravo, you have done well, friends." Now it means bravo. It is expressing the feeling of joy. The captain joy or applauded. Okay, the captain applauded his friends, saying that they had done well. Applaud. Now I hope you have understood all the things very well, and keep on practicing. Thank you very much.